Hola, everyone. Yeah, I'm actually gonna probably start doing random Spanish or Espanol. Yes, and I'm actually learning Spanish and stuff. So yeah, here's part two. And hello, viewers. This is Airplane312 here. Again, about what happened stuff. It was very hard. Sometimes it's hard to lose a loved one. And you do what you can do. Most of us don't know the true date that you're gonna pass. And most of us actually do know the actual date. And some of us actually know how we're gonna die. And when that happens, it's just like almost deja vu. And a lot of us know history repeats itself. It actually does. Again, when I say all I need people to do is listen to me and stuff, if they want to donate, they can and stuff. It's up to you. It's gonna cost a lot of money for me to actually complete my goal. Can I do it? Yes. Sorry about that, but it's getting my phone to be charged, so yeah, see? I'm just gonna make sure it's can charge and stuff. But a lot of times you just don't know. It's this. I'm not sure that's a USB-C or something like that. If I can charge both ways, that's a miracle on my phone. On my cell phone. Yeah, I sure can. See if it can go that way. That's crazy. Sorry for having my fingers in the phone. It should. Yeah, I sure can. Okay. To ask you, viewers, if you don't mind, what is the actually true dream? Is it to make someone happy? Or is it to find someone that you don't know and truly, truly find someone to make them happy? And there's also an event that's going to happen. I'm actually looking for the person. And the freaky part is, it's probably actually a gas station. Why a gas station? If every other place. I think I'm supposed to meet like Samuel, Drusilla, someone like that name. Why Drusilla? And I know. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video. I think it's like I'm gonna make a video, or if I name the person, I believe it's like RVing with Jeff or Life with Jeff. I believe that's the correct name. And I'm doing what I can with the money and stuff. Just don't know. I mean, this might become a part 3. And unfortunately, it's probably going to be part 3. If you don't know the rules of my contest, it's down below. I just have to find who's my subscribers. I know 4 or 5 of them. But I can't believe how many subscribers I have. It was amazing when I actually hit 10 subscribers. And now look where I am at. 32 subscribers. And I know it's probably going to take a year before I hit 100 subscribers. If I pick it up and start making video after video after video and bust my, sorry for my language, just bust my butt. And most of these I'm placing them as not child friendly. It's because I just don't really know how to classify this video. And the rule of thumb is if you really don't know, always make it an adult deal so that prevents you from getting in trouble with the YouTube algorithm. And yes, I have 2 adorable chocolate Labradors. They know when you're sad. They know when you're happy. And a lot of times you injure them a little, they don't really care because they forgive you. If you injure them a little and they yelp and stuff, and then they're fine, and then all of a sudden they start kissing you and stuff, and making you happy and stuff. This is like for your comfort. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. So yeah, that's gonna be in our part 3. Alright. I guess I'm gonna make part 3. And I'll start considering a Spanish word for each of the videos. Maybe that will work. I don't know. If I don't think of a Spanish word, oh well. If there's not a Spanish word in the videos, that's usually I might able to create it and post it so it'll post and I don't have to worry about it. And I have to really consider what time I should start posting these videos. I might start posting the videos at 3 a.m. in the morning of Mountain Standard Time. That's what I might consider, or might be in between sometime in the morning and stuff. Or whenever I get a chance to actually post it. And you might actually see several videos being posted on the same day, but different time, or exactly at the same time. And thank you, YouTube. You're finally allowing us creators, or contactors, whatever, actually now use our mobile device if we want to save money and actually post it straight to YouTube with server information, so all of a sudden we don't have to worry about it, and then all of a sudden we pick a day and boom, one click a button. But the problem is, I wish YouTube, I haven't figured it out yet if it does occur, to go to it, go all the way down and start making those tags and stuff. I might have to see if I can, but after I post it, I can go back to edit it and scroll all the way down and then put tags there. And since several of my videos don't even have them. And there's some videos that you actually never ever will see. And yes, some of my videos are actually 4 years old that you actually probably will never see. Alright. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. It really doesn't matter too much because you're actually helping this channel boost in the creations. Okay, so like, subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell. I probably have to start doing that. You know the rules of the contest. I've said it before. Probably said in this video or the previous video. And I got to start posting that contact stuff in the next video, or so on. I have to start making that. I'm sorry. I know a lot of people say you don't have to say sorry. So I'll see you next time. Peace out.